Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the watch off and laying it face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch the screen. Once done, remove the band to give yourself unobstructed access to the case edge. Make sure you have a plastic pry tool and microfiber at hand. These protect the finish. If adhesive is likely, prepare a low-heat source and 90% isopropyl. Begin at a corner and keep your hands steady. This first move sets the whole process. Once you've warmed the perimeter slightly to soften any adhesive, insert the plastic pry tool at a corner and gently flex the case away from the body. You'll want to work slowly, moving a little bit around the edge rather than prying hard in one spot, because that distributes stress and prevents cracking. If you hit resistance, pause and reapply heat or use isopropyl to dissolve residue. Avoid metal picks near the heart rate sensor or crack. After the case comes free, lift it straight off and inspect the edges. Clean leftover adhesive with a bit of 90% isopropyl on a microfiber cloth. Make sure buttons and the digital crown move freely before you reattach the band. Power the watch back on and verify touchscreen, sensors, and charging contacts work. If something feels misaligned or a sensor fails, don't force parts. Try another brief heat cycle and cleaning. Otherwise, consider professional service to avoid voiding warranties or causing internal damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.